All right, for this part, I just want to note that, see these guys? You see 1, 2, and then it connects to the other one. It's the same thing on this end. So 1, 2 connects to this one. So if you did it this way, it's gonna match up. Same thing up here. Take a look at these main guys. So 1, 2 connects there, and same goes over there. That way everything's gonna match up. All right, so another note, when you're building these, there is a right side and there is a left side. And the only way that you guys can know if the holes match. So it's really when you put it together, you're gonna see the holes matching. If they don't match, then just switch up the sides and you should be good. So I did have to disassemble those ones, and I'm gonna put those here. So I only got lucky with one side. One side was actually right and left. There are no markings, so it's a guessing game. But once you get it, then you can just keep building it. So as long as you get all the right sides, that's how it's supposed to look like at this point. All right, so when you're putting these things on, just make sure it looks kind of straight at first. Then before you put anything else on, just count, so you guys can match them up. And that way, when you put everything, it'll make sense. But count so they match. And then if you see that there's 10 here, but there's 11 holes here, you might have to move this over here. And then you can keep going. From there, you just keep going. Just make sure to go right across so you guys can put that tension.